You need to make some money and you're a video editor. So today we're gonna rank ways of making money with video editing. My name is Tuna. I've been a professional video editor for the last 4 years. I made a fuck ton of money. Got over 200 million views on YouTube alone, and here's some reviews from my clients.
Tuna's been a great editor.
Tuna is a good editor.
I'm Keyboy. Tuna is the absolute GOAT.
We got Fiverr, man. Straight off the bat, don't fucking use Fiverr. It's shit. The problem with Fiverr is that you are competing to be the cheapest. And guess what? If you fucking win, cool, you're getting underpaid. That sucks. And other thing is that Fiverr takes 20% cut. So if you make $100, you only get $80 in your bank account, which is pretty shit. The other thing is that clients will expect you to work like a fucking dog, and you're not allowed to work outside of Fiverr or your account gets banned. To pop off on Fiverr, you need luck, which sucks as well. You just put an ad, hope for the best, right? That's not a good strategy. This is not where YouTubers go to find high quality editors. Like this guy, as you can see, actually pretty good editor. 10 minutes for 30 pounds, that's like 40 bucks. This is really underpriced. So even if you're a good editor, I would not suggest Fiverr because you'll be underpriced. Upwork, I'd say Upwork is literally the same as Fiverr. Just don't do it. Just get away from Indian freelancing, okay? We want American dollars, not Indian rupees. So fuck off. They're not those fucking websites, alright? Don't do these fucking websites. Next one, weddings and shit. Wedding video editor. Wedding fucking videographers make fuck ton of money. Dude, here says you make between 1,500 and 2,500 pounds for a full day. That is insane. And this guy on Reddit says around 250k per year, based in Europe, and a bit over 20 weddings a year. Like, that is insane amount of money. You need licenses and shit. You need cameras and shit. You need word of mouth. You need to build a brand. It's hard to get into, and you need to be in high earning areas, maybe like San Francisco, London, Berlin. There's a lot of opportunity there. Try it if you want to be a cool entrepreneur. I'll probably put this in A tier. Car edits and shit. Same as before, so you get paid a bit less than weddings. Maybe like you're known as the videographer guy in Dubai, so I'll probably put this in B tier. So in-house video editing is basically you get hired by a company and you work there 8 hours a fucking day and you do whatever work they give you. You can do remote in-house editing as well for YouTube channels, or you just work with a company. I wouldn't recommend this to you because you get paid a salary, right? And people will be on your ass a lot. This is no different from working a 9 to 5. You got into video editing because you want to be free, because you want to travel the world, because you want to just do whatever the fuck you want, right? On top of that, you have to deal with some fucking HR bitch. She's like, hi, can we fuck you, I'm my own boss. I don't want to be anyone's bitch, and if you become an in-house editor, you'll be someone's bitch. It's unstable as well, because if you get fired, you're not going to be able to pay your rent next month. Unlike freelance video editing, where if you get fired, cool, I'll find someone else, no problem. You have no freedom, probably will get underpaid. I just want to get a job. If you just that, cool, get an in-house. I'll probably put this in like D tier. Film and movie editor. Imagine you edited a fucking movie. Imagine editing like, I watched the Mission Impossible. Imagine you edited the fucking plane scenes and shit. That would be insane. It's really hard to get into, and most likely you're not gonna edit in Hollywood and fucking Tom Cruise movies, right? If you work in Hollywood, you might get paid up to like $1 million or even more than $1 million per movie. Pay is shit most likely unless you're at Hollywood. The salary is a fucking joke. It's around 18,000 to 25,000 pounds annually in the UK. Which is like this literally the same as fucking working at a McDonald's. I'd say the experience is super cool, man. Like, imagine editing movies and TV shows. That'd be super awesome. So I would actually put this in B tier because I would be okay with getting paid less if I'm editing like some super cool, some sick movies. Editing your own videos and becoming an influencer / YouTuber. Now, this is super hard but super rewarding. If you actually look at statistics and what kids want to be, everyone wants to be a YouTuber, man. So this is super rewarding. But you will need to get good at everything. You'll need to get good at like titling your videos, camera personality, having a cool fucking life, having something to say. You need social proof. You need to work on your marketing, all this blah 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 stuff. So editing alone will not be able to carry your YouTube ventures, but it should come at a later phase in life. If you're just a young person with nothing to their name, no skills, you're not gonna reap any rewards from it. Unless you're like a super funny, entertaining young kid, I wouldn't try being a YouTuber yet. And I'll just put this with potential, with money, freedom, and experience. I'll put this in S tier. If you want to be a YouTuber, before being a YouTuber, this is exactly what I would do. And that is to work with other YouTubers and influencers so you understand how to make good videos. You understand how this YouTube fucking game works. I've been working with YouTubers for the last 4 years, made fuck ton of money, made tons of YouTuber friends, so it's pretty cool. What you do is basically you find influencers and YouTubers to edit their videos for, and you edit for those videos. This is awesome, and you'll get paid a lot because YouTubers are fucking rich. They got fuck tons of money, and without people like you and I, their channels would not fucking exist. Most YouTubers don't even know how to edit. You can make up to $300 or more per day, alright? I just came back from Bali 2 days ago. I was only working 2 days a week, and that was enough for me to pay my rent, for me to pay for my motorbike, just for me to have a cool life. Literally, my life was going downhill, man. I just wake up at 2 p.m, I'd work a bit, and then I just go out clubbing and just have fun with girls the whole night. It was like, that was my whole life. I was like super free. I couldn't even concentrate on work, to be honest. But yeah, people think you're cool. The money is awesome, man. You can work anywhere you want, live anywhere you want, and the experience is awesome because you get to make cool YouTube videos. Your videos get like millions of views. I'll put this in S tier because it's what I do right now, and I wouldn't do it if it wasn't a cool thing to do. S tier. So if I was you right now and I wanted to make some money with video editing, I focus on working with influencers and YouTubers because I genuinely believe that this is the best way to make money as a video editor today, right now, and it's probably going to be it for the next like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years because influencers will never die. And guess what? My whole channel is dedicated to teaching you how to do this shit. So subscribe, and YouTube thinks you'll like this video, so click this video. But first, I have like a free asset pack. It's completely for free. Click the link below, get my asset pack, and see you in the next video. Bye.